First thing we have to do is assign a name to that API we're going to create. In this example, we'll call it Coinrule API. That's easy. In order to confirm the creation of your API, you're going to be sent an SMS code for two-factor authentication. So once you receive your code, enter it in the box there. As a second layer of security, Binance is also going to send a confirmation email to your registered email address. And so you'll need to open your email and click the Confirm Create button in order to finalize that process. That is after you've already also entered your SMS code as well, which you see on the screen here. Once you've done that and click Submit, and you find the confirmation email and click Confirm, you'll be able to see your secret key and your API key in a new window.